Hello everyone, welcome back to Just Invest Today, and in today's video, we're going to do a reaction video to Fresh and Fit. Fresh did an interview with Luke Belmar, and he talks a lot about investing, e-commerce, fitness, everything in this video. But you know, this is an investing channel, so we're going to break down the investment section he talked about, and I loved his advice on it. He breaks it down into 3 sections. He breaks it down how to keep your wealth, how to get wealthy, and what to do with the money that you have. So let's get into this video and let's hear what he has to say about these 3 things. If you haven't watched this full stream on Fresh's channel, go watch it. It's amazing. Talks about a lot of different stuff, as I said before. So go watch it. But this guy sent in a super chat talking about his $2 million in wealth and what should he do with it. Luke drops some knowledge and gives us some advice. And this guy has a background in crypto. He made all his money on predicting crypto. He's a crypto millionaire. He has a lot of knowledge on different subjects. So let's listen to what he has to say about this.
You're sitting on a $2 million bankroll, so that's pretty good. So what I would do is I would divide that bankroll into 3 categories. So 3 baskets. Ready? First 700K, that's going to be your living expense for the next 10 years. You're going to be living off of 70K. You're not a multimillionaire because right now you're living off of 700K for the next 10 years. That is your budget. That's how you should be budgeting. The next 700K, that's going to go into active income investment opportunities, right? These are going to be investments that yield dividends or that yield active returns. So you could do an Airbnb, or you could do a certain stock portfolio that has a healthy dividend payout. And then the remainder is going to go into being dumped into the market, where you'll probably see in the next probably 10 years, you'll go up 10x, right? So your 2 million, you could do nothing, sit on 700K. Your extra million could multiply to 10 million by you basically doing nothing and implementing that strategy in the next 5 years. So guys,
so did you just hear that breakdown? Nice and quick and easy. So the first 700K is just budgeting to spend 70K for the 10 years. And with that strategy, I feel like you should still be working on other stuff. You can probably have a nice side hustle just to keep that money going, because you're just going to keep seeing that money go out and out, and you don't want to really do that. So I feel like you should have a nice side hustle to grow, like maybe a YouTube channel, do some drop shipping, do something. Just don't want to keep using that 700K just to spend money on your living expenses, because you want stuff to come in. So the next 700K you're going to use for renting, you're going to use an Airbnb. And the cap rates I'm hearing a lot about, like I listen to a lot of Ben Mala, he's seeing 7%, 8% cap rates right now in this type of market. And it might go up if there's a bigger crash in the real estate market. So if you're seeing 6 caps, 7 caps, that's pretty good right now. You might even get higher to 10, 11, who knows? In the market right now, in the stock market, he even says that you can do dividends. And dividends, a lot of companies paying you a lot of money. 6%, 7%. We can find companies right now, like even Bank of Nova Scotia, paying like 6% plus. So those are good dividend stocks that you can buy. There's more. I'm going to do a dividend video very soon on the dividend companies that I've been buying, I've been looking into. And also that 700K, if you buy a property, you can probably buy like a $2 million, $3 million property and get a 6-7 cap depending on where you live. So you can definitely get good money, good passive income with that strategy. So the next 700K is my bread and butter, talking about the stock market, growth stocks specifically. In this video, I think he recommends Shop. So Shop has been getting killed, and he's saying that you can 10x your portfolio in like 10 years. That is crazy returns. You get like 10 million. Like that is crazy. If you can do that, you're a genius, man. You're a legend. But in this market, you can probably do that. You can probably find a lot of good companies. I think he recommends Shop. I'm not sure if I would do Shop, even though, man, it's been getting killed. And if it is what people say it really is, that it's the next e-commerce giant like Amazon, I don't know if it's going to be that. It's at $20. It's at $28, 83% down. I don't think I would invest in Shop. I think there's better opportunities in the market right now. So you're going to do your research on the companies that you like. I think companies, if you have a good strategy, like a company that I like right now, you already know. I like Baba, I like Facebook, I like Google, I like Berkshire Hathaway. So there's stocks like that that I think are going to do those nice compounded gains of like 15 to 20%. And that's enough for me. 20% in this market is killer. If you can get 20%, man, you're doing really good. If you can do 20% the next 5 to 10 years, you're killing it because, man, who knows how this market is going to be in the next 5 to 10 years? It can stagnate heavily. You could probably literally see no returns for the next 5 to 10 years. That's how much the Fed is raising rates. That's how high inflation is going. That's how high, like, just the recession worries, the wars going on. There's so much stuff happening in the economy that you just don't know where the market can be. But it's going to provide us with opportunities to buy a lot of these cheap stocks. That's why he thinks he can 10x, because think about it. We had the huge COVID run. If you invested during that COVID run and you sold off, you made a killing. Now we have another down market. So you have another opportunity to buy cheap companies right now. So if you're taking advantage of it, then it's amazing. So you're getting that dividend income, then you're getting that active income. And then if you're doing something on the side, like YouTube, like drop shipping, maybe working on a job, whatever it is. So we can see this strategy working out really well to stay wealthy, to get wealthy, and just to budget well. So guys, what do you think about this strategy? Leave your comments down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel.